Hey Clarky, what are we doing today? You wearing Mama's sunglasses? Thanks. Do you want me to help you put them back on? Look at how cute you look. Where are we? We at the park? You want Mama to have them? But you look so cute with them on. No, you don't want to wear them. There you go. Good job. Let me help. Let me help. Move your fingers. There, you gotta rest them on your ears. Ears? Clarky, what's on your shirt? What's that? Arf, arf. Where are you going? Hey, come back. Clarky. Clarky. Hey, baby, look, I've got some water. All right.